Hello everyone, you are welcome on lecture. Today in this lecture we will discuss Bessel differential equations and all important point about Bessel differential equation. In previous lecture we cover Legendre differential equation. So we start. Our topic is Bessel differential equation. Equations. Standard form of Bessel differential equation is x square double derivative of y with respect to x dx square plus x dy over dx plus x square minus n square into y equal to 0. Here at x is equal to 0, it is a regular singular point. If you don't know about what is a regular singular point, so watch previous lecture in this channel. Now first kind means solutions of Bessel differential equation. First kind means solution. It is denoted by Bessel differential equation z and x. After solving this equation we get y equal to z and x equal to summation r tending to 0 to infinity minus 1 power of r divided by r factorial n minus r factorial into x over 2 whole power n plus 2r. This is our solution of Bessel differential equations. Now we get some important result for solving numericals. You remember these Bessel differential equations. Using these Bessel differential equation we find result. So directly use these result in numericals for solving. So our Bessel differential equation is z n x equal to summation r is equal to 0 to infinite minus 1 power r minus 1 power r divide r factorial n minus r factorial x over 2 whole power n plus 2r. This is our solution of Bessel differential equation. Now use for n is equal to 0. Here take n is equal to 0, then we get result z0 in function of x equal to, we find series 1 plus x square, 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square over 2 square plus power of x is 4 divided by 2 to power 4 into 4, 2 to power 2 into 4 to power 2 minus power of x is 6 in divide 2 to power 2 into 4 to power 2 into 6 to power 2 up to next. Now take n is equal to 1, we get result z1 into x. We also find a series x minus x cube divide 2 to power 2 into 4 plus x2 power 5 over 2 to power 2 into 4 to power is 2 into 6. negative and continue again this series. These result for solving mathematical questions and all physics quantum also used, so this result is important. Other results are also useful. Now find other result. Now we use n is equal to 1 by 2, n is equal to minus 1 by 2, and n is equal to 3 by 2. These results are also important. So here n is equal to 1 by 2. J 1 by 2 into function of x equal to, we get root 2 divided by pi into x into sin x. Next we use n equal to minus 1 by 2. Now our result is j minus 1 by 2 into x equal to root 2 upon pi x cos of x. In sin, here it is in plus 1 by 2 it is sin x, and in minus 1 by 2 it is cos x. Now n is equal to 3 by 2. J 3 by 2 into x equal to root 2 over pi x into sin x upon x minus cos x upon x. How to remember these formulae? These are very important. When we use plus sign, then we use sine functions. When we use minus sign, then we use cos function. And when we use plus 3 by 2, then we use also sine and cos function, sine x over x minus cos x over x. Now Bessel's functions are oscillating natures, means this type of nature, oscillating natures, but with decreased amplitude and varying time periods. Means, for example, this is like a damped oscillation, means with the time amplitude is decreased. Bessel function is oscillating natures, and it is like a damped oscillations. Now cover these points. At x is equal to 0, we find j 0 into x. Now use in this series x is equal to 0, get only 1, and other series x is equal to 0, find all result are get is 0 up to this is equal to 0. Here it is 1. In this case only we get 1. This shows our amplitude starting is increase then decrease. Now nature of Bessel's differential equations. We know the Bessel differential equations. So in Bessel differential equation, n is integer, not fractional. Solution, find Jn x. Jn x is even when n is even, and Jn x is odd when n is odd. N is odd. Now Jn minus n x equal to minus 1 power n into Jn x. Minus of n use in our solutions, Bessel solution, then we get this result. Now Gnx has infinite number of nodes, means it's a continuum manner, so we get infinite nodes. Now differentiations of our function, then we get now differentiations of d upon dx into power of x is n into j n x equal to x to power n into j n minus 1 into x. These results are very useful, so you remember it. D into dx, d upon dx, derivative of x to power minus n into j n x equal to minus x to power n into j n plus 1 into x. These, remember, here is power x to the power plus 1, then we get j n minus 1, and in this formula x to power minus n, then we get j n plus 1, and here is negative, this is positive, then here is positive. So now cover generating functions of Bessel's functions. We use generating function, then find given series in our questions. Generating function also very important for all differential equations. So now cover generating function. Generating function. Generating functions of Bessel equation is x by 2 into z minus 1 by 2 equal to summation n equal to minus infinite to plus infinite z to power n into j n x. This is our generating functions for Bessel differential equations. Now differentiation through circular apertures. This is our generating function. Next point is orthonormality conditions. Orthonormality conditions. So our we cover Legendre equations conditions. So idea about these equations, integration 0 to 1 x into j n alpha x into j n beta x into dx. This is equal to delta alpha beta divided by 2 into j n plus 1 into alpha whole square. Sorry for this, I write here delta alpha beta divided by 2 into j n plus 1 into alpha whole square. This is our orthonormality conditions. So in this lecture we covered all important point about Bessel's differential equations, and in this channel also uploaded about Legendre differential equation important point all, and other lecture also available. So If you like this video, then you share and subscribe and press like button also. So